Choosing a metal detector isn't easy. With hundreds of machines on the market, each with different features and strengths, the choice can be overwhelming. Modern metal detectors are more accurate than you might think. They might not find a buried chest of gold and jewels, but they are still fun for all ages of people to pick coins, relics, and other materials. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and buy links. Let's begin our list with the Garrett Ace 300 metal detector. It features a higher frequency that provides better sensitivity on low and medium conductivity targets. This metal detector has an adjustable frequency to help eliminate interference. It features the coveted digital target ID for more quick and accurate target identification. Also, it supports a higher frequency of 8 kHz for better sensitivity to both low and medium conductivity targets. Besides, it has electronic pinpointing, which, when used correctly, can help you hone in on your target. The display screen gives you a lot of information while still being comfortable enough to operate that beginners will figure it out. Additionally, the increased resolution allows more precise control of how much iron discrimination to apply. Next up on the list, we have the Garrett Pro Pointer AT waterproof pinpointing metal detector. It provides all-terrain versatility for locating and pinpointing metallic targets. This detector is environmentally protected from the elements and is fully submersible to a maximum depth of 10 feet or 3 meters. It offers maximum sensitivity for improved detection of nuggets and other small targets, and you can choose from 3 sensitivity levels. The quick button press instantly tunes out the environment or narrows the detection field for precise pinpointing of larger targets. Its shrink detection field precisely identifies large targets and has an automatic power off function that turns off the detector after 60 minutes of warning chirps, saving batteries. Plus, it has a ruler in inches and centimeters molded into the side of the pinpointer to judge target depth. Up next on the list, we have the Sunpal Professional metal detector. This metal detector has 3 operation modes that include all metal, notch, and disc mode. Its upgraded DSP chip and 10 inches coil, which improves search range and sensitivity. In all metal mode, the maximum depth of detection is 8.7 inches. The IP68 waterproof coil is particularly suitable for outdoor activities on the beach or in the stream. Its armrest design saves more effort, which gives you a relaxed state, and has 8 AA batteries that give you a longer life. Another advantage is that it offers a ground balance adjustment function in all metal mode, adjusting according to different environments. The next product on the list is the RMrico Max metal detector. This metal detector can detect iron, zinc, aluminum, gold, copper, silver, and more in all metal mode. 2 9-volt alkaline batteries are required to run the metal detector. Its 10-inch big search coil can reach up to 8-inch depth underground, exceptionally conducive to detecting efficiency. The waterproof stem and coil allow you to explore in the water or on the beach. The control box comes with an LCD that will make reading much more comfortable. You can know the detection mode, depth of the target, sensitivity level, battery condition, and volume level at a glance. It uses an added P/P function to help zero in on targets, and it has unique tones for different metals. Meet up the all-new Bounty Hunter TK4 metal detector. It comes with a rugged metal detector, ideal for detecting treasure in extreme ground conditions. It runs on a 6.7 kHz operating frequency and identifies coin-sized objects up to 7-inch thick and more massive objects up to 3 feet height with no sensitivity loss. It can also detect in extreme ground conditions from salt-wet beaches to highly mineralized inland sites with no operator adjustments. It also offers a preset ground balance that neutralizes response to mineral content in the ground. Further, it can detect all metals presence, to include gold, silver, brass, aluminum, iron, and steel. With the help of discrimination control, you can eliminate undesirable targets. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the National Geographic Pro metal detector. This metal detector is fully telescopic and folds away nicely, making this a highly portable metal detector. It comes with a 10-inch waterproof detection coil and has a pinpoint function for added precision. Also, it is equipped with an audio alert detection with volume adjustment and a headphone jack. The 4 sensitivity modes on the detector help you to detect treasure as deep as 12 inches underground. It sports an apparent and easy-to-read LCD screen with easy-to-reach touch buttons. On the other hand, 4 AA batteries are required and placed in a compartment beneath the LCD screen. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about any of the other products to review, make sure to check out Unbox Daily. Hit the like button to show your support and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one, folks. Have a great day.